Alright, what's up you guys? We're back with our next one. So today's video, we're going to do a video on putting our GoBoard up. It's called wet shimming. It's pretty popular. There's a lot of people do it. Wet shimming is, we like to use it in instances where 2x4s and stuff are just so out of whack, or they're really close to being in line and they're just not quite touching in places. This helps fill the voids and the gaps, especially dealing with GoBoard, a foam board that is spongy. You can push on it if there's nothing solid in behind it. So we're going to do a video on wet shimming. This is a great way to go about it. This is how me and Tom do it. Traditionally, we see a lot of people that will wet shim the actual wood and then put the GoBoard up there, but in a lot of cases, like in ours, there's blown in insulation and we don't want to keep getting that all over the thin set and everything else. So we actually do it a little different. It keeps the tub cleaner, keeps the work area cleaner. So let's get right into it. We're going to show you. This is the back of our first piece. As you can see, all the X's is where we have a stud on the wall. So multiple studs in this area, which is right there, and then so on and so on. And our tub lip is 1 inch tall. So we have already notched out the back side of that on purpose so that we can go over the tub lip, and we're actually going to have GoBoard sealant right in here so we can kiss that tub lip and everything stays completely like it's supposed to. All right, so take a good look. And we already know some depths are probably a lot different than others. Ours is not off hardly. Ours is not off a lot at all. So this is in an area where there's about 4 or 5 studs. And there's just a little bit of differences in between the studs. So this is just going to get them all to lock as one. It's actually those 4 right there because the sheet gets flipped around and they're just a little bit off from one another. So this will help clean everything. If it was much deeper than that, or you get into 1/4 inch, things of that nature, we'd probably turn this sideways and blob it this way. That way it stands up a little higher, but we don't need that much reach. So now, lastly, what we're going to do, now that that's done, is I'm going to take this sheet, turn it some, and I'm going to put a bead of sealant down there, and then we're going to get this back here and get it up to plumb. There you go. So look, so mixing it up, everything kind of sits here and stares at you. Nothing's falling, dropping everywhere. And then look, here's our bead of sealant right here. So we like to put it on inside of here. And I'm going to sit here and put it right on that top line, just so there's enough coverage as we go down. It'll fall in front of the screw hole, the whole 9. So, and then we'll seal that really well. Okay, so look, the sheet's up. We've got the screws in where we need them to keep everything completely plumb. So look, I want to show you. We'll do the whole shower like this, the whole bathtub like this. We'll do this whole bathroom like this, all the walls, and pin everything for the entire night. And then tomorrow, we'll come in here first thing in the morning. We'll secure every bit of this, get all our washers and stuff in play, and then we'll be ready for sealant. We'll go ahead and get our ledger board up and ran, lay out all our tile, figure out all our tile and the layout where the niche is going to be. So plenty to do tomorrow when we go to secure all this and finish up. Look, check it. Hey, it's got a mind of its own, brother. There you go. So So I mean, it's plumb as you can get. Plumb as you can get. So we're gonna finish up, throw the rest of these sheets up, and like I said, we'll bring y'all back in. We'll get all these screwed in, sealed up, and we'll be ready to roll. Look, right here we've already got this one wet shim. Don't forget your bead down here. As we go down, we're gonna squish right into that. There you go. Just like that. And you'll notice the sheets below. There we go. The sheets below will start lining up with this. So we know this was already plumb. Now we're going to take a bigger level, stick it to here. It's already plumb, and we're going to get this plumb. All right, what's up, you guys? We're back. Obviously, you can tell it's a different day. We got on matching shirts. That's how we roll. So look, we want to tune you in. We just walked in here this morning. We want to show you what's going on. Check it out. So look, here it is. This is how we left it yesterday. Okay, it's hit or miss on the screws. Some are sticking out, some ain't. The whole purpose of that was for this right here. Okay, it doesn't take, you don't have to put screws everywhere. We just wanted the sheet to be completely plumb. So look, check it out. Now that everything's hardened, look at that. So now that everything's hardened, what we're gonna do, everything is completely plumb. And it's solid. Okay, so all these will come out. They were just there to pin, to hold, to keep everything plumb. And these will come out. I'll stick a washer right in there, send it right back in. That's the whole point. We're gonna seal all this up. The tub is, remember we had notched out behind that tub and sent that down over that tub lip, put a bead of sealant in there. So now we're going to, like I said, remove all these screws, put washers in. We're going to get our sealant up. But look, check it out. Bing. Just makes life easy. Bam. All the way down. So, that's it right this minute. We'll bring y'all back in here in just a few. We're going to get all this wrapped up, sealed up, and then, we're going to go ahead with ledger board. We're going to get our tile laid out. We're going to figure all that out. We'll be putting in the niche. We got a couple of little ears down here at the bottom we got to plug in, but we'll be starting tiling tomorrow. All right, you guys, now it looks a little different. Now it looks a lot better. So we've got everything situated, everything plugged in, ready to go. Here you go, brother. Thank you. Oh, yeah. So look, I want to show you something. So look, first off, we had already figured out our tile layout. I told y'all just a little bit ago, that's what we were getting ready to do. We already got everything figured out. That's how exactly. Sometimes we wait and cut the niche in as we're tiling. Sometimes it just depends on the tile. In this particular case, we already knew exactly where it needed to go by doing the layout, so we went ahead and put it there. We got everything sealed up. And what I want to show you is, look, check it out. Our ledger board, GoBoard, best ledger board ever. I promise you. It doesn't warp, it doesn't tweak. And look, I'm going to come over and just slap it down. Look at that. And the most important thing, I'm going to shove it up here in this corner. Okay, look. And then the most important thing, look, let me show you. Look right here. See that? Perfect. It is perfect. So that one tile is not slightly above the other tile and all that stuff drives us crazy. Look, that corner, same. Look up under there. Boom. And then look, lastly. So that's perfect. Perfect for our tile install. And then on top of that, look, I know this doesn't go the whole span of the wall. I can put our other level over here and show you. I like this digital one though, but look at that. Bam. Hey, Tom. Let's go in the middle, off a stud. Oh,
you're fired. That's
it.
Tear it all out. Game over.
Oh, I tell you, man, yeah, some of these are so damn sketchy and close to get, but I'll tell you what, this sucker's as plumb as we can get it. Yeah, I like it. Yep. So, that's it, you guys. We're going to go ahead and wrap up for the day. Believe it or not, Monday we came in here and we went to the store with the homeowners and just bought all kinds of stuff that we needed for this bathroom to get going, the tile, everything. We didn't even start till Tuesday, really. We came in here Tuesday, we got all this tore out, and remember, when we went to set that tub, we actually put bed mortar, about 6 blobs up underneath the tub. That is why it doesn't creak. That's why you don't hear the stresses of moving or any of that stuff. It's very solid. So we had to wait till the next day to set the GoBoard and all that. Then when we set all that, and we wet shimmed all that, we showed you, which was yesterday, and we let all that stuff set through the night so that it would rock up hard. And then we came in here today, put all this in, cut the niche out, set the ledger board, got everything sealed up like a champ, and we are ready to start tiling first thing in the morning. So not bad at all. Moving right along, we'll be in that master real soon. Till the next one, you guys.